So what you can also do inside of Canva is edit out images using AI using a filter called Magic Edit. So to do that, you can see that I have selected the photo right here. And once you do that, you can click on Edit Photo. So once you do that, under Effects, you can see that Magic Edit is an option. If you were to go around and click on this, then you can try this out right here. And it gives you a brush, as you can see right here, to edit out the image according to how you want. So now what I want to do right here is I want AI to generate out a bunny right here besides the girl. So I'm just going to go around and draw around. I can just go around and increase out the brush size as well. And just go around and draw around in the portion where I want to generate out the bunny. So once that is done, I'm just going to go around and then click on continue. And then over here, I'm going to say cute bunny right here, just like this. And then click on generate. So once I do that, what happens is that it analyzes the picture, the AI analyzes the picture, that is through the Magic Edit, and then you can see the bunny right here. And you get a different variation of the bunny, as you can see right here. So you can see that I can go around, select this or this or this right here, and you can choose the one you want. You can also generate out new results if you're not happy with what is generated right here. So I'm just going to go around and select out the first itself because the bunny is facing the girl itself right here. And if I were to press done, then the image is edited, as you can see, just like this. If I want to go around and then edit this further, let's say for example, I can go around, click on Magic Edit again. And let's say I want to go around and add in socks to the girl right here. So I can just go around and draw around, and I'm just going to go around and say socks right here, just like this, and click on generate. So once I do that, it analyzes out the picture again and it'll generate out different things right here. So you can see that this is what you have. This is the first image and it's not really looking great. So there's the sock right here. So if I were to go around and click, then you can see that it did generate out a sock right here, just like this. And you can go around and select this out as well. If you're not happy, then you can simply click on generate new results, and then it'll generate out new results right here, just like this. So you can see that it is generating out new results, and there's like sock effect that is generated right here, and you can click on this, and this is more of a better effect, as you can see right here. And this is how you can go around and edit it out according to how you like right here and get the result that you want. So you can just go around and then generate out new results again if you are not happy, and then it generates out more variations right here. So you can see that it is working out, and there you go, there's the shocks again, just like this. So this is more looking much more natural, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and press done, and the image is edited. And you can see that this is very, very powerful, and the new way of editing that you can do with images just by typing out a few words according to how you want inside of Canva. And that is how you can use the Magic Edit tool inside of Canva. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.